Let's go. Up on there. Should have gotten here much earlier. But good job. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Hop on there. Super duper late, but great entrance. Good job. Who was that? Good job, guys. I missed you. Good thing I left the camera rolling. Jeez. Great job, guys. Come on. Come on, let's go. Good job. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Good job. By the way, that's LCM 2047. She just won't leave. I took her or him to a toss with my birds and she came back with the birds. Come on. Good job. Let's go. Come on. Nice. Get in there. Good job, guys. I'm happy about your performance so far. I hope all your friends come back quick. Great job. Lead up. Come on. Let's go. Good job. $20.47. What are you doing? Go home. You've had plenty of opportunities to go home and you just don't want to. I spotted you. Let's go. Where'd you go? Come on. Where'd you go? Come on. Let's go. Okay. You missed the landing. Let's go. Second try. Come on. Let's go. You're going to lose to that other bird. Watch. Good job. You see? I don't know what you were thinking. You got to practice that landing next time. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Up on there. Okay, come on. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Let's go, girl. Or boy, come on. Good job, guys. 16 of you. You guys coming good today. Put some electrolytes today in the water. Ooh, look at you. All done with your meal. Oh, hold on. Come on. Good job. Well, guys, race day is what? Buffet day. All you can eat today. Eat up. Replenish your energy fast. Come on. Let's go. Up on there. Should have gotten here much earlier. But good job. Hi guys, welcome back. Today, not only we have one race, we have two races. And I'm already into the race. I got some birds already. Oops, sorry. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on, let's go. Sorry, I was in the way. Come on. Get in. Good job. So the two races, one is the combine race, 150 miles, 165 to me. And the other one is 250 miles, is a special money race. And the combine got let go at 7:15 a.m. My first bird clocked at 10:05. The wind was west, and then closer home is west-northwest, which is good for my area. So the south section guys should do good today. And I'm not sure if I mentioned the tri-state, the special race got let go at 7:05. The wind was west, if I'm not mistaken, at 2 miles per hour. But then as they come east, the wind will pick up and turn into west-northwest, which is again good for me. I'm hoping that I do good in the special race, and let's see. Alright guys, so let's take a look at the top 10 birds that clocked for me. In first place is 157. That's off of my old line Jensen with Huben cock with Vandenbolk hen. This cock here is the one that flew in the Apple Cup last year. Number 2 is 147. That's my little Clyson Albert Derwa. Number 3, it's 145. Staffan Reed, Dirk van Dyke with the little Clyson Albert Derwa hen. Number 4 is Jason Jordan's 444. Number 5 is 144. Staffan Reed with Dirk van Dyke, Stefan Lambrecht. Number 6, again, Ludo Clyson Albert Derwa. You can tell that's my main family of birds. And number 7, where's 7? Oh, it's right there. Ludo Clyson Albert Derwa, so the nest mates. And number 8, we have Wolverine Joe Alaka with Artie Kruger Ludo Clyson. Number 9 is 169 off of my New England Kittle with a Hardy Kruger hen. And in number 10, we have the New England Dirk van Dyke cock with a great granddaughter of Thomas 6. And that's bird bin number 160. So, in terms of times, my first bird clocked at 10:05. with 147, and then so 10:05, 10:14. Wow, that's quite a bit. 16, 18, 19, 20, 24, 26, 28. So they're coming closer together. But I wish there were more on the drop, you know. And I got 19 out of 25. Waiting on 6 more. So guys, it's 11:06 a.m. Less than 4 hours from when they were released. I have 22 and waiting on 3 more. Those 3 happen to be late hatches, all 3 of them. So I'm not sure if I had raced them. I think I did before, except 1. 2 of them raced one as the first time. And so it's not surprising that they're not here yet. I'm hoping that they come. It would be nice to have 100% returns. And so, but all in all, I'm happy. And now I just have to wait for the birds coming from the tri-state money special. And I'm hoping that they do good. So we'll see. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Up on there. Oh, you're still up there? Come down. Come on. Let's go. That's what happens when you go up there. See if you learn. Late. So here are the results at the club. We basket 164 birds, 9 lofts, and I took first and second place. Then Joe Alaka took third and fourth. Matt fifth. Good job, guys. Got sixth, and Joe Alaka again seventh. John Manu is eighth, and I took ninth after that. Great job, guys. Then at the combine, my first 2 birds took 21st and 22nd, then 117, 180, 250, and so on. Well, guys, they started clocking for the special, so I'm on the lookout. See if I can get my first bird to do good time. So wish me luck, man. I could use a martini with cerveza right about now, man. So the 12 birds that I sent were the 12 birds that were performing better in the trainings. And so, you know, I based it upon that and a couple other things, but, you know, you think that the ones that you pick will be the ones, you know, at least one of them to be right up top. And that's what it takes. But, you know, who knows, maybe my first one on the combine would have done better. But you just don't know. You never know. So start questioning your decisions. It should be coming from this way. No good, guys, no good. We should have been here by now. So, in order to do, you know, decent to be up there, don't look that way. Oh well, better luck on the next one. 12:09, guys. No birds. What a bummer, man. job. Up on there. Super late. Come on. Hop on there. Good job. Late, but good job. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Hop on there. Super duper late, but great entrance. Let's see what we got on the special race. It's turning out to be a tougher race than expected. So we got 154 in first place, 1243, then 1250, 1257, 104, and 118. So tougher race for everybody. And look at that, 4 out of the 5 are hens. So, all right, guys, the next clips are going to be the results. Okay, guys, let's take a look at the birds at the special race. In number 1, we had 154. Happens to be a bird off of a Kittle Huben pairing. Number 2, we got Wolverine Joalaka cock with a Hardy Kruger little Clyson hen. Number 3 is Hardy Kruger little Clyson cock with a little Clyson hen. Number 4 is Hardy Kruger cock with a Jason Jordan hen. And number 5 is a Hardy Kruger cock Albert Derwa with a little Clyson Albert Derwa hen. And happy with the... Well, I would be happier if I placed much better, but I'm happy with the results. It's a great experience for the birds. It turns out to be a tougher race than expected. Very few birds made it back within decent time at least out of the 175 birds on Benzing. I think there were just shy of 60 birds 6 hours into the race. But all in all, I'm still happy and proud of the birds. So congratulations to El Pico. Took first place. Great job, man. Speeds of 1587 yards per minute. And then Silo, and then Czarniak. Then as for me, I took 22nd and 26th, 35th, and 43rd.